Planning a 4-day winter trip to Berlin? In this video, I'll show you the perfect itinerary that combines relaxation, family fun, sightseeing, shopping, and the magical Christmas markets. Whether you are traveling with kids or simply looking for a unique winter getaway, this itinerary has something for everyone. Let's get started. Our adventure begins at Tropical Islands, one of the world's largest indoor tropical resorts, located about 60 kilometers south of Berlin. Built inside a massive former aircraft hangar, this incredible destination maintains a warm tropical climate all year round, making it the perfect escape from the cold European winter. You can easily spend 2 full days here, or even more. The resort features a tropical rainforest with thousands of plants, a beautiful lagoon, Germany's largest indoor rainforest, sandy beaches, thrilling water slides, multiple swimming pools, a children's play area, and a relaxing sauna and spa complex for adults. If you are staying overnight, you can choose from themed rooms, lodges, or even glamping style tents inside the dome, making it a unique experience for the whole family. There are also plenty of restaurants and cafes serving international cuisine, so you don't have to leave the resort during your stay. After checking out from tropical islands, head into Berlin city for a fun-filled morning at Legoland Discovery Center. This indoor attraction is ideal for families with younger children. You'll find millions of Lego bricks, exciting rides, creative building zones, interactive play areas, a 4D cinema, and a massive, impressive miniature model of Berlin built entirely from Lego. Plan to spend around 3 to 4 hours here. In the later half of the day, it's time to experience one of Berlin's biggest winter highlights, its enchanting Christmas markets. Berlin transforms into a festive wonderland during the holiday season, with dozens of markets spread across the city. Some of the most popular ones include the Christmas market at Gendarmen Market, the market near Charlottenburg Palace, and the festive stalls around Alexanderplatz. Stroll through beautifully decorated streets, sip a cup of traditional German Glühwein or hot chocolate if you are traveling with kids. Sample local treats like bratwurst, roasted almonds, gingerbread, and potato pancakes, and browse handcrafted gifts and festive decorations. The sparkling lights and cheerful atmosphere make these markets an unforgettable winter experience. On your final day, explore some of Berlin's most iconic landmarks. Start with the Brandenburg Gate, one of Germany's most famous symbols. Continue to the Reichstag building, the Berlin Wall Memorial or East Side Gallery, Checkpoint Charlie, Museum Island, and the vibrant Alexanderplatz area. Even if you are short on time, these landmarks offer a great introduction to Berlin's fascinating history and culture. If you enjoy shopping, Berlin has plenty of options. Visit Mall of Berlin for a wide variety of international brands, Alexa Shopping Center near Alexanderplatz for fashion and family-friendly stores, or KaDeWe, one of Europe's most famous luxury department stores. As evening approaches, end your trip with one final visit to a Christmas market. Seeing the markets during different evenings lets you experience their unique atmosphere, festive entertainment, and delicious seasonal food. It's the perfect way to wrap up your Berlin adventure. And that's how you can spend 4 amazing days in and around Berlin during the winter season. From relaxing in a tropical paradise to building Lego creations, exploring Berlin's rich history, shopping, and soaking up the festive charm of its Christmas markets. This itinerary offers a perfect mix of fun, culture, and holiday magic. If you found this itinerary helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which place you would love to visit the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Till then, bye.
Bye.